He's sitting alone in a parked car at 1:47 a.m., forehead against the steering wheel, breathing like every inhale is a negotiation with the universe. His phone is glowing in his hand. Another notification, another distraction, another reminder that someone else is winning while he's stuck in the same loop. He mutters to himself, "I can't keep doing this." And that's where it starts. Not in the victory, not in the motivation, not in the highlight reel, but in the moment you finally decide the old version of you can't come with you into 2026. Because that's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Your comfort is killing your greatness. The world keeps feeding you shortcuts, cheap dopamine, and recycled dreams. Swipe here, scroll there, compare everything, complain about nothing, and then call it trying. But there's a point, a breaking point, where your soul gets louder than your excuses. And when that voice finally rises, it doesn't ask for motivation. It demands discipline. Discipline, the thing that shows up long after your hype has evaporated. Discipline, the thing that builds the version of you your future self depends on. Discipline, the thing that turns side hustles into businesses and businesses into legacies. And that's exactly what Gary Vaynerchuk has been trying to tell you for years. You don't need more inspiration. You need more execution. But execution doesn't start with a new planner or a new app. It starts with the moment you call yourself out. You want to 10x your goals in 2026? Then you need to understand this. Your goals aren't stuck. You are. And that's mindset twist number 1. See, we live in a generation overloaded with motivation on demand. You can get hype in seconds, but hype dissolves just as fast. It expires. It evaporates. It abandons you when the alarm clock goes off. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. And fire gets built out of discomfort. Because the painful truth is this: the things you avoid are the very things that will make you unstoppable. You want more confidence? Do something you suck at. You want more energy? Stop numbing yourself with things that drain it. You want more clarity? Detach from the noise and listen to your own mind for once. And maybe that's the hardest part. Being alone with your thoughts. Not the curated feed, not the airbrushed advice, not the highlight reels that make your life feel like a glitch. Just you. Raw, unfiltered, exposed. That's where you find the truth. You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not lost. You're avoiding the path. You're not broken. You're untested. Pain isn't the enemy. Pain is the instructor. And that brings us to mindset twist number 2. Life isn't happening to you. It's responding to you. Your habits send signals. Your discipline sends signals. Your effort sends signals. And the universe answers them. You don't get results from what you want. You get results from what you tolerate. If you keep tolerating procrastination, you'll get more of it. If you keep tolerating excuses, you'll get more reasons to make them. If you keep tolerating mediocrity, your life will arrange itself to deliver exactly that. Nothing changes until you decide your standards change. And this is where Gary V's philosophy hits differently. It's not about hustle culture. It's about energy, gratitude,
self-awareness, a long-term strategy fueled by a long-term heart. He's not telling you to burn yourself out. He's telling you to stop burning your time. Gratitude isn't soft. It's not cheesy. It's not cliché. Gratitude is a weapon. Gratitude is the anchor that keeps your mind calm in a world designed to pull you apart. And calmness is your new superpower. Everybody else is panicking, doubting, quitting, or screaming into the void of social media. Meanwhile, you are steady, quiet, focused. You don't need noise. You don't need applause. You don't need approval. You need consistency. You need patience. You need the ability to do the work without needing to feel good about doing the work. That's how you build the 2026 version of yourself. Here's the emotional hit you've been avoiding. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you don't quit. Which leads us to the 3 lines worth tattooing on your ambition. 1. Discipline is choosing your future over your feelings. 2. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your standards. 3. Success is quiet, excuses are loud. Say them again. Let them hit. Let them burn. Let them rewrite the narrative in your mind. Because the world is changing fast. AI is reshaping everything. Opportunities are everywhere. And most people are still scrolling through life like the future owes them something. But nothing is owed. Everything is earned. You earn it when you show up tired. You earn it when you push through boredom. You earn it when you break the habits that break you. You earn it when you stop looking for the easy path and start respecting the hard one. And here's the part nobody tells you. You're closer than you think. That business idea you keep shelving, start it. That skill you keep questioning, learn it. That dream you keep postponing, build it. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel like it. Not when the timing is perfect. Now. Right now. Because the clock doesn't care about your hesitation. The world doesn't pause for your uncertainty. 2026 will arrive whether you prepare for it or not. And when it does, you either meet it as the same person you are today or as the person you chose to become. The disciplined version, the focused version, the grounded version, the grateful version, the unstoppable version. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're not too broken. You're simply at the beginning, and beginnings are powerful. So take the tear, take the fear, take the discomfort, take the weight on your chest, take the frustration in your bones, take the quiet promise you made to yourself at 1:47 a.m. and move. Not perfectly, not proudly, not loudly, just move. Because once you take that step, just one, the entire universe steps with you. And that's how you 10x your goals in 2026. Not with hype, not with shortcuts, not with luck, but with the kind of discipline that makes your future self stand up and applaud. Now, get up, start, build, become. Your new life is already waiting.